Welcome to solverfy.
Iron vase is thrown down from a great height, and we have to calculate the distance traveled in first 4 seconds. So the distance equals to g over 2 times 4 seconds squared, because the initial velocity is 0. Then it equals to 5 meters per second squared times 16 seconds squared, which is 80 meters. So in the second question, we have to calculate the velocity after 1 second. The velocity of the weight thrown up with at 15 meters per second after 1 second of flight. So velocity as a function of time equals to 0 minus gt. And then the velocity after 1 second equals to 15 meters per second minus 10 meters per second squared times 1 second, which is 15 minus 10, 5 meters per second. So that's a solution of this problem. I hope I helped you. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.